Hi guys, welcome to another Creative Crafts with Nolan. Sorry. Please click the subscribe button, or I really want you to tell other people about my channel. Today we will be making a bird feeder out of this milk carton. You'll need an empty milk carton, some scissors, duct tape of any kind. We're out. We only have blue and red. What do we do first? Oh yeah. Keep the bottle cap in mind, okay? So like, don't throw it away or anything. We're just gonna make a quick hole. I don't have much time. Well, just keep it in mind. You can make a hole later. Then you're gonna get your milk carton. Hold on. So you're gonna get your milk carton and then start cutting from here all the way down, and get started. And then you're gonna make a cut down here. Sorry about that. This will happen in the video. Keep on cutting. I'm already right here. I'm sorry, this is the opposite side. I learned this craft from Brockett Elementary, so thank you, Brockett. Just want to give a special shout out to that. Otherwise, this video wouldn't be here. So thank you, teachers, and then also kids, because I know that most kids are watching this. And then also I want to give a welcome back to school. If you were in it, that's just a welcome back. Then you'll have this. So you can decorate it. I'm just going to keep this clear. That's why we have the duct tape. Another reason is usually I wouldn't cut it like that, but I accidentally did that. So I'm actually going to use the duct tape. Just got to get through. Oh gosh! This duct tape doesn't like people. I'm terrible. And then at the end, we're also going to do a perch. Come on, go through. I have an example. I gave one of them away, but You can get a grown-up to make a hole through the middle of this. I'm still working on it right there. And if I said I'm 7, now I'm 8. So I had a birthday. If I said I'm 7, I think I did. And it was very good. Don't come up here. You'll disturb the people watching this. Sorry, my feisty mom. And then later on, we will have my next door neighbor named Emma come. She has the cutest dog named Millie. It's a puppy. She was also in my class, so it's pretty cool. So we will have quite a few guests from now on. So I'm going to put it right here. Perfect. Then you can get a pipe cleaner or a string. I mean pipe cleaner because it's quicker, but string is more better. And then you'll be holding it. I'm gonna make sure. And then feel free and try and do a twisty tie. Then you'll have this, and then you fill the bottom up with bird's feeder. Right here, birdseed actually. I wish I had an example with birdseed, but don't. Sorry for that moment. Then you'll get this, a toilet paper roll. Flatten it out. And then fold it in another half. And then I'm going to fold it one more time. So that you have this. Feel free to duct tape it because it's a perch. Birds love perches. I'm not kidding. I read a lot about birds, so next we're going to do a bird stand. I'm going to see if it actually works. You know what? I'm doing pretty nice. I actually have to test all the crafts out to see if they actually work. I just saw this one at Brock and knew it worked, so you know. I'm on my mom's phone. This will be, I think, my 3rd video, and then soon we'll have a 4th. Maybe a few days from here. I know, and it's probably a Friday or Saturday. So, this perch won't hold anything, so I'm not going to put a perch there. It should usually go on the bottom, but then you'll have your bird feeder with a perch. This is a wet milk carton though. Okay, and I hope you like the music. Let me show you what music we have here. It's very nice. And if you didn't know this, I do trust God with all my heart, and I already accepted Him. So feel free to go to any church. And then here you have it. Complete bird feeder. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and then also tell your friends about this, and then I'm gonna give you a quick bubble. Oh my gosh. Bye.